To which of the following sets does negative 2/3 belong? Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, or real numbers? Let's start by going through each set of numbers. The natural numbers are the counting numbers, the numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. They do not include negatives and they don't include fractions. Therefore, negative 2/3 does not belong to the set of natural numbers. Let's now move on to whole numbers. Whole numbers are the natural numbers, including 0. So they're the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. These numbers also don't include fractions or negatives, so negative 2/3 does not belong to the set of whole numbers. We next move to integers. Integers are the numbers from negative infinity to infinity that are the natural numbers, the negatives of the natural numbers, and 0. So negative 2/3, while integers does include negatives, it does not include fractions. So negative 2/3 does not belong to the set of integers. We then move on to rational numbers. Rational numbers are of the form of a quotient such that the numerator and denominator is an integer and the denominator is not 0. Negative 2/3 is of this form. The numerator is negative 2 and the denominator is 3, and therefore negative 2/3 belongs to the set of rational numbers. Irrational numbers are numbers that can be represented on a number line but are not rational. Since negative 2/3 is rational, we know that it is not irrational. And finally, we have the real numbers. The set of the real numbers is composed of the set of rational numbers and the set of irrational numbers. Since negative 2/3 is rational, it is also in the set of real numbers.